Ivan with DIY Detail for Detailing 101. Today we're talking about water spots. On this vehicle we have very, very big and deep water spots. Someone has already tried to polish them, yet they're still here. Polishing by itself does not remove water spots. The way water spots are caused is that big beautiful bead of water that everyone likes harbors minerals, and those minerals are attracted to the outer edge of that water spot. When they're attracted to the outer edge and the water evaporates away, you end up with these spots. Now, on a black vehicle like this gets really hot in the sun. The minerals that are left behind actually etch their way into the clear coat. And once they've done that, they're there. You can try polishing, and the next day that it's sunny, well, they'll just pop right back up. The only way to remove them is make sure we're starting with a clean surface. I'm using a rinseless wash here. And even with that, they're not wiping away. So we know they're not superficial, they're in there. Next, I need to use water spot remover. I'm going to liberally apply it to the surface and let it dwell for a minute. While the water spot remover is there, let's discuss what's happening. The water spots are being dissolved, or the minerals are being dissolved by the water spot remover. They're softening, they're being brought to the surface, and then we're going to wash them away. Once we've washed them away, they may still be there or they may be gone. The minerals themselves will be gone. The scarring left behind from the minerals is all we're going to have to deal with, and that will easily polish away. Now that it's sat for a few minutes, we'll take a microfiber towel and agitate. And this is going to release any of the more stuck-on minerals from the surface. Now the surface is already feeling smoother before you could actually feel those water spots. Then from there, I'm going to wash it and we'll inspect again. I've cleaned the surface, we've used the water spot remover, and it's diminished the appearance of the water spots dramatically. Unfortunately, we still have the scarring left from the water spots. To remove that, so I'm going to take my polisher starting with a clean, damp pad, one spray of the gold standard polish, and I'm lightly going to go over the surface. Now that I've polished the area to my satisfaction, let's take a look. I'm wiping off the polish residue using a dampened towel, following up with a dry towel, and there we have it. Nice glossy paint, and the water spots are gone. In this way, they won't come back. you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, leave them below and join us in the next Detailing 101.